All right, so lesson 3, how much do Uber drivers make? Okay, so some of the factors that influence your pay will include the number of hours on the road, how busy your city is, your times of work, okay? So are you working in peak hour? Are they surge times? And also the pay rates in your city, okay? So pay rates actually vary in different cities. You've got to check on those, do your numbers, plug it into your spreadsheet or whatever you're going to use and see how worthwhile it is for you, okay? So let's take a better look at how much Uber drivers actually make. All right, now we've got a sample daily earnings snapshot here. Now we're going to break it down. Okay, it's $260.56 that we earn on that particular day. It's broken down into the fare, the surge, Uber fee, tolls, estimated payouts, time online, completed trips. Okay, so this is in the red is our total daily earnings, $260.56. Okay, we're online for 6 hours and 11 minutes. We completed 14 trips. So our hourly rate estimate is essentially your total $260 divided by the number of hours that you were online, and that equals roughly your gross daily rate. Okay, in this case was $42.14. Okay, now what you've also got to take account is your fuel that you're going to use for the day and taxes and anything else that you might want to include in there. Okay, it's entirely up to you. So that means really that our net result is about $33.71. Now this is a sample calculation, so you've got to really do your own numbers, but it's a basic representation of the numbers that you might expect. Okay, so let's have a look at a trip detail itself. Okay, now I've broken out the actual detail. It's a trip from I think it was the beach to the airport. Okay, it was a 28-minute duration trip. It was for 16.63 kilometers, which is approximately 10 miles. Okay, we made $37.99 as our total initial fare. Okay, now that is calculated by a flag fall of $2.50. Okay, plus you get 40 cents for every 28 minutes. Okay, so 40 cents times 28 minutes. And then you add in your per kilometer calculation, which is $1.48 times 16.63 kilometers, bringing that particular total to $37.81 or $37.99. Okay, roughly. Right. So we also look at the surge pricing. Okay, so surge occurs when there's a high demand for Ubers in your area. So at this point, there was a 1.2 times surge. So you get 20% more than what the fare was. So you add on 20% of that fare, that $37.99, which is $7.60. So you add that in, your total is $45.59. Now Uber is taking 20% out of this particular account. Okay, so you deduct your $9.12, which means the estimated payout is $36.47. Okay, now your rates for different cities will vary. The rates for different times will vary. Just have an understanding of what's going to occur. The minimum fee is $8, cancellation fee is $10. Have a look at those details later. So we'll move on.